Welcome to 200forexpips.com. In this video I will tell you what are the four different types of common mistakes that new buy traders do. So I will highlight one by one, and I'm currently on a USD Canadian dollar H1 chart. Okay, so first of all, what the new traders do is that they take buy positions by following a bullish trend, and they buy the pair when it is already overbought. For example, let's talk about these 2 points here and here. So if I just draw a line here, now you can see that these are the two highest points of the hourly chart, and it is quite foolish to buy the pair when the market is already in a very highest zone. So here you need to wait that what market is going to do. Either look, it has a touch in the previous hours here, and now you can see that it has another touch, but the market was unable to break that level, and it went down. So what traders do, they take bullish positions from here because they think that the pair will continue going into the same direction. This is completely wrong. Yes, I understand that this is a completely bullish trend. If I make a trend line from here to here, then you can see that this pair is going up, but here you need to be very conscious that the entry should be very important, even you, if you are trading with the trend. So you should have understanding that this is the highest point of the market and this is the lowest point of the market, and you need to place your trades either at the highest area and either at the lowest area. Okay, so this is the first mistake. So what I prefer is that, for example, let's say this is the trend line and this is the below boundary of the market. So here that would be perfect if you buy the pair from here, but it does not mean that after a very long bearish candle you are instantly going to buy the pair. This is the second mistake which the traders do. So what I do is that, for example, let's say the pair has a downfall here. So what new traders do, they say that it's already very down, now it's a time to go into a bullish position. But I do not say that the bullish position is wrong because it's already touching the lowest boundary of the chart. No, it's not wrong, but you need to have some kind of confirmation for that. So for example, let's say this bearish momentum has ended here, and after that you can see that there are a couple of bullish candles making, and now you can trust the trend. So for example, let's say maybe in the next few hours you can find the market here. This would be a kind of a safe trade, but it is not recommended that when the market has gone down up to here, then you are going to place your trades blindly into the bullish direction. No, you need some kind of confirmations, because most of the time the market keeps on going down and you can have a loss up to this level. So here you need to be very careful and do not repeat these kind of mistakes. So I have highlighted the two mistakes. And number three, what the traders do is that they never look into the candle shapes. They do not have any idea about the candle shapes. So what are the candle shapes? Let me see that if I'm able to see any kind of candle shape here. Okay, so first of all, look at this candle. This is not a hammer, but it's representing that the trend is going to be changed. When something like this appeared after an upward trend, look, this long candle here, it is representing that the market can go down in the further hours. So you can see the market was already down here. So this is kind of the possibility of the bearish pattern here. And also look at this candle. This candle is also representing a bearish pattern, and after that the market was down. Okay, so let's test this thing on some other pairs. I'm just going to show you something. Okay, look at this candle. This candle stands for indecision. So most of the traders do is that they take bullish or bearish trades after this candle. No, that's completely wrong. When this type of plus candle appears on your chart, then it means that you need to wait here and you need to go with the confirmation. Okay, so what, after this candle the market decided to go bearish, and then you can take your bearish positions, and after that similarly you can see that there were more candles of this shape, and then you will again stop, and then market decided to go down. And look at this candle. This candle represents a bearish pattern, and after that market was down. So guys, if you do not have any understanding about the candle shapes, then you are not likely to be successful in forex. You need to trade with knowledge, with proper understanding that what's going to be happen in the market. Okay, so let's go to some other pair so that I can show you that what's going on here. uh, I'm looking at things that which can help you. Okay, so no, this is not just like a hammer. Let me change the pair. Okay, going to the 15-minute chart. Just for your understanding, I'm just looking at the candles so that I can help you that which candles are most useful for you. Okay, going to some lower time frames. Okay, so look at this is a bearish pattern, and also look at these small candles like these types of candles represents the bearish momentum. So guys, if you just start looking at such type of candle shapes, then you should know that the market is going down. So for example, look at this pattern. If this pattern is appearing, then it means that it's something wrong. The market is going down, 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 and again down. Okay, let me see some other types of candles so that I can help you. Okay, look at this candle. When this type of candle appears after an uptrend, look, the market went up, and this is just like a hammer. When this type of hammer appears after an uptrend, it is indicating that the market will go down. Look, it was appeared here and the market was way down, and look at this candle. It was another confirmation that the market is into the bearish momentum, and if you have taken your trade from here, then you must be in profits up to this area. So guys, also this is an hourly chart, and here market gives you a very prior signals. Look, this was a bearish sign before it happened here. These were the bearish signs. So if you have taken your trades even from here, if you are running a good equity, then do not worry about this much loss, because the market went into your way after some hours. So guys, you need to take your trades very consciously. I'm not saying that you need to take your trades blindly. This is completely a wrong way. Let me see some other thing in your charts. Okay, so for example, look here, USD JPY is down on the M15, and look, we still have a bearish sign here, and after that the market went little up, and after that it was again down. So these kind of bearish signs you must consider while you are trading. Okay, the other mistake is that people and traders who trade forex market, they go against the trend. For example, let's say okay, so let's say I'm on an hourly chart. No, this is not suitable for you. Just let me that which pair is more suitable for you to give you this understanding about it. Just a second. Okay, let's talk about the Great Britain pounds USD. Okay, so you are looking that I also have a robot here, so it's attached, and look, the market is clearly into the upward direction. It is going down. So what guys do is that when the market comes up like this, they try to sell that pair. Okay, look, that was not just the bearish entry. You need to wait at least for 2 to 3 candles to be confirmed about that the pattern is going to be bearish. So what happened was that here most of the traders must have, I'm sure that they must have taken bearish positions after looking at this candle only, and they thought that now it's too much high and now it will go down. That's completely wrong. So what happens, the market was more up from that current level. So guys, never do these types of mistakes. Please wait for the confirmation. So what is the confirmation type? Let me show you. Look, no, sorry, just let me go to some kind of another chart so that I can show you. Okay, so guys, here, have a look here. USD CHF went high, and after that the bearish pattern started. So for example, let's say if you have seen one kind of candle here that was the bearish, representing a bearish pattern, then it's good to take a trade into the bearish direction instead of taking a trade into bullish direction. So if you have traded this candle, this, look, it was way down, and I'm going to my signals report for today. You can see that was the pure USD CHF, and what my signal was on USD CHF today. We were already done with the signal in the morning. because the signal was expired a few hours ago. So basically I was bullish today, and 098395 as the entry. Look at here, that was the entry, and 098604, and that was the exit for my signal. But the market even went beyond that level. So definitely what happens is that there is a ratio up to 65% that when the market goes into the upward direction, then definitely it comes back, but it is never guaranteed that it will come back again. So here it has made a bearish pattern. So if you want to take a trade, then that's fine, you can take a trade. Look, if you have seen this kind of bearish candle, you can trade in the way. But if you, for example, just leave this candle and you just plan about this thing, that for example, if the market is bullish here, and even you have not waited for the confirmation and you have just blindly placed a sell order, this is not recommended, and this is the big mistake which people do. Okay, and the last mistake is that most of the people I have seen, because I'm connected to various forums, and I'm in various forums and blog posts. I have seen a lot of blog posts and watched a lot of videos and having a discussion with a lot of traders. I have talked more than 1,000 people right now, and I can tell you that what was the time frame they were using. When I asked questions from them, they were saying that they use M1, M5, M15 and M30. So guys, I'm basically a binary and forex researcher, and I want to add my knowledge in this video. Is that first of all, you should know that the current success rate of binary options is only 1%. So when new buyers come into the market, they first prefer to join a binary options platform, which is not recommended for them, because the success rate is only 1%, and the 1% people who are successful with binary options, they also eliminate from the market after every 3 months. So they also do not have a very long-term stay here. Okay, so first of all, you need to go with the forex. You should, if you are a new buy, you should only trade forex. You should not go to any binary options platform. And number two, never trade against the trend. And number three, very important, please never go to M1, M15, M15 and M30. Your actual trading starts from H1. So if you are going to plan your trades according to M15, M30, they are never going to be useful for you in the long term. If you are just looking to stay here for a long term, then you have to start your trading from H1, because this is the real platform. When I do trading, I first watch the 1 hour chart, then I go to the H4 chart, D1, and then I consult the monthly chart. I never go to these platforms. So guys, you have to see this thing very carefully, because this is really not recommended, and these are the things which you learn after 5 years of trading experience. And after that, what result is that you completely lost your all account equity for the first 5 years. So I'm telling you before that, if you are trying to do something against the trend, and if you are stuck to the bad time frames, so this is not recommending. And never buy the pair when the pair is already up, and never blindly enter into the bullish position. For example, let's say just for the I'm just going to wind up this video with this thing. For example, we have a downfall here. So unless I will not see a few bullish candles, then I will not enter into a bullish trade. And it does not even support the bullish trade here, because you know that the market is already down. So I will seek the bearish trades instead of buying that pair, because it has become more risky for me to buy that pair, because this pair has been negated a lot and it's very much down here. So guys, please avoid these types of mistakes. I have made this video in order to help you people, because most of the people were doing this mistake. And if you need any kind of further information regarding forex, if you want me to teach you forex for 1 hour, then I have also Skype coaching coaching program. You can contact me on 200forexpips.com. You will find the email info@200forexpips.com. My website is live, and you can take help from me. Also, you can add up me on Skype. My Skype details are provided on my website, and I will wait for your inquiries. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.